Did you go to market yesterday?
Yes, I went to market yesterday.
At what time did you go to market yesterday?
I went to market at 5 o'clock.
That's fine. Do you like to take tea every morning?
No, I don't like take tea every morning.
Will you go to market tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to market tomorrow.
Did you talk to your friend yesterday?
Yes, I talked to my friend yesterday.
At what time did you talk?
I talked my friend.
At
I talked my friend at 4 o'clock.
in the evening. Do you like to go to gym center?
Yes, I like to go to gym.
Do you like to walk every morning?
Yes, I like to walk every morning.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have a friend.
In which class do you study?
I study in 8th class.
In 8th class? Really, you are a student of 8th class?
Yes,
Oh, that's fine. You are. Do you have a smartphone?
yes, I have a smartphone.
How many smartphone do you have?
I have one smartphone.
Of course, I have also one smartphone. So, do you have few pens?
Yes, I have a few pens.
Do you like to buy laptop?
Yes, I would.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I would
I
like to.
like to buy
Yes, I like to buy a
laptop.
laptop.
Okay. Do you want to go to Agra?
Yes, I want to go to Agra.
Do you want to see the Taj?
Yes, I want to see the Taj.
Do you want to go to in marriage function?
Yes, I want to go marriage function.
Do you want to celebrate birthday?
Yes, I want to celebrate birthday.
Would you like to talk to your friends?
Yes, I like to talk my
I
friends.
would like to talk.
Yes, I would like to talk my friends.
Talk to my friends. Okay. Are you able to speak English?
Yes, I'm able to speak English.
Are you able to operate computer?
Yes, I'm able to operate computer.
What does your brother do?
My brother does study.
Okay. What does your mother do?
My mother do
Cooking?
cooking.
Does cooking? Okay. What do you want to become?
I want to become lawyer.
Lawyer. That's fine. Interesting. It's your dream?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to speak English?
Yes, I want to speak English.
Do you want to become a public speaker?
Yes, I want to become a public speaker.
Okay, that's good. Do you like to speak on the stage?
Yes, I like to speak on the stage.
Did you write something yesterday night?
Yes, I write something yesterday.
I wrote.
Yes, I wrote something yesterday night.
Do you like to write diary?
Yes, I like to write diary.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have pets.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I like pets.
Do you like to set alarm?
No,
I don't like.
I don't like.
Okay. Do you enjoy every morning?
Yes, I enjoy every morning.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning this.
Did you forget anything in the market to buy?
Yes, actually, I wanted to buy new clothes for me, but I didn't go.
Oh my god, you wanted to buy a cloth but you didn't go.
Yes.
When will you go next time?
Next time I went,
I will go.
next time I will go next tomorrow.
Okay, just tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. Did you click photos in the market?
Yes, I click photo in the market.
Do you like to click photos?
Yes, I most like click photos.
Oh, that's fine. At what time did you return from the market?
I return in the market
At
at 6 o'clock.
did you take lunch?
Yes, I took lunch.
Where did you take lunch?
I took lunch in the school.
Did you talk to your mother?
Yes, I talked to my mother.
At what time did you talk to your mother?
I talked to my mother at 2 o'clock.
Last night did you cook dinner?
No, I didn't cook dinner.
I didn't cook dinner last night.
Yes.
Did you enjoy yesterday?
Yes, I enjoyed yesterday.
I enjoyed yesterday.
I enjoyed yesterday.
So did you eat dinner at night?
Yes, I took dinner at night.
At what time did you take dinner?
I took dinner at 9 o'clock.
Did you take dinner with your family?
Yes, I took dinner with my family.
Did you enjoy dinner?
Yes, I enjoyed dinner.
Did you use cell phone at night?
Yes, I used cell phone at night.
Did you talk to someone at night?
Yes, I talked to someone at night.
At what time did you sleep?
I slept at 11 o'clock.
And today, at what time did you get up?
Today I get up early in the morning at 7 o'clock.
I got up